Howdy everybody, and welcome back to our GameMaker Studio 2 Fundamentals course. And today we're going to be talking about functions. We've been using them a bit, but we're going to talk a little bit more about them in their entirety today. Functions are any sort of function that is built into GameMaker Studio 2. And these are the things that allow you to set different things, such as getting our game speed here, or drawing the text, or drawing self. All these orange highlighted things are built-in functions. And there are a lot of them, so there is the opportunity to type in part of the word, and then GameMaker Studio will helpfully pull up an autocomplete option, so you can try to figure out what in the world you were trying to do. You can see there's a lot of draw functions. So, whoops. So if we had physics, world, draw, debug, and like I said earlier, down here it'll give us the options that we can actually put inside of these parentheses, what we want it to actually be able to do. So in this case, draw flags. I guess that's probably a true or false. I don't know. I've never used that. And we also have the draw text. Tells us X, Y string. And we have a string value. So num underscore, that would cause num underscore to become a string for our purposes, whatever we're going to use it. If we wanted to draw underscore text 32, 36, and we wanted to do that. Oops. As you can see, our number is calculating and increasing every single second because we have that step event over there. Anyways, functions allow us to do a lot of useful things inside of GameMaker, and getting to know how they work is very important. But it's kind of non-specific to whatever we want to actually be doing. So we also need to remember that we have the help file. So if we say we want to be able to draw a sprite, so let's say I want to draw a sprite. And we could get all these things, and it will tell us draw tile maps, or draw texture flush, or draw sprite tiled, or draw sprite part, or draw sprite ext, or just draw sprite. And of course, we could also just look it up here, draw underscore sprite. There we go. And our help file pretty much goes through everything possible. Alright, I think that's good enough for functions for the time being. Just remember they're very useful and very important for you later on as you develop. So thank you everybody for joining me, and good luck with your programming.